Hi, I'm Clint Walker. I'm in northwest Montana today, and I'm trying out the new 10mm CCU by MechTech. It's for the Springfield XDM. They also make it for Glock, and of course if you have a 1911 that's chambered in 10mm, they do that as well. I'm going to take this and stretch this 10mm out today, out to 500 yards. You can see the target back there behind me, up on the hill, way up there, and that's this tiny little bullet. Not a hand load, nothing fancy, it's just Remington ammo. I've got my US Optics LR17, my Zero Delta Return to Zero mount, and of course my MechTech CCU. 435 bucks, made right here in Kalispell, Montana, and we're going to give it a go and see how far we can reach out. So we're shooting this Remington UMC 10mm. Nothing special about it, guys. It's just 180 grain factory ammo out of the XDS, Springfield XDM, out of the MechTech at the 500 yard target up on the hill for. You hear that hit? And I'll try another one. It's amazing. Once you find it, it's pretty good. There's a lot of wind up there actually, and on occasion you'll see the wind blowing, and it just blows that bullet right off target. So we correct the hold. But 10mm, 460, 480 yards, and pretty cool little deal. Bet you can't do that with your standard Springfield XDM, but I can do it with this one.